Hello everyone, welcome to my channel HDO Ryan. We are studying accounting for partnership firms for class 12th T.S. Gerewal textbook chapter 5 admission of a partner. Today we will discuss preparation of revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. Let us see question number 62. Balance sheet of Madhu and Vidhi who are sharing profits in the ratio of 2:3 as on 31st March 2016 is given below. So this is the balance sheet given here. There is general reserve also and bills payable, and this side all the assets are given. Now Madhu and Vidhi decide to admit Gayatri as a new partner from 1st April 2016 and their new profit sharing ratio will be 2:3:5. Gayatri brought rupees 4 lakh as her capital and her share of goodwill premium in cash. Now, goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 3 lakh. Land and building was found undervalued by rupees 26,000. Provision for doubtful debts was to be made equal to 5% of the debtors. There was a claim of rupees 6,000 on account of workman compensation, but there is no workman compensation reserve here, so we will have to create it. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. Let us see the solution. First of all, we will calculate sacrificing ratio for Madhu and Vidhi. Madhu is to Vidhi is equal to 2:3. Now a new partner has joined named Gayatri. So Madhu is to Vidhi is to Gayatri is equal to 2:3:5. Now, so we will calculate the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So for Madhu is equal to 2/5, that is 2/5 minus 2/10, and for Vidhi is equal to 3/5 minus 3/10. So LCM will be 10 and here it will be 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2/10. Here also LCM will be 10 and 10 divided by 5 is 2, multiplied by 3 is 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3/10. So our sacrificing ratio is equal to 2:3, same as the old ratio, because after accommodating Gayatri also their ratio is same as the old ratio here. So this is an indication that their sacrificing ratio is also 2:3. Now treatment of goodwill, how much Gayatri will bring? Gayatri's goodwill is equal to Gayatri's goodwill is equal to 3 lakh, that is the firm's goodwill, into 5/10, that is equal to 1,50,000. This 1,50,000 will be paid to old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So Madhu and Gayatri. Madhu will get 1,50,000 into 2/5, that is equal to 60,000, and Vidhi will get is equal to 1,50,000 into 3/5, that is equal to 90,000. So let us see the ledgers now. I am providing an I button here for you to go to my previous video on revaluation account for your ready reference. Now let us prepare revaluation account for question number 62. So land and building is undervalued, so buy land and building. $26,000. It was undervalued, so we are making it correct. Then second is provision for doubtful debts is to be made. So to provision for doubtful debts. It is 5% on debtors. Our debtors are 3 lakh and 5% of which is 15,000. But we are already having a provision of 10,000 in the balance sheet. So provision will be increased by only 5,000 to make it 15,000. Then there is a claim on account of workman compensation. So to workman compensation. For 6,000. So to profit on revaluation will be given to old partners in 2:3. It is 15,000 the balancing amount. So Madhu and Vidhi. $15,000 divided by 5 will be 3,000. So 6,000 for Madhu and 9,000 for Vidhi. Now let us see partners capital account. So partners capital account by balance brought down. It is 5,20,000 and 3 lakh opening balance. Then there is general reserve also. We will distribute this general reserve in their old ratio, which is 2:3, and the amount is 30,000. So 12,000 and 18,000. Then revaluation profit will be here 6,000 and 9,000. Then the new partner is bringing capital 4 lakh. So by cash or bank you can write 4 lakh. And portion of goodwill will be paid to old partners in sacrificing ratio. So by premium for goodwill. This is in sacrificing ratio, and sacrificing ratio is equal to 2:3. So 60,000 for the first partner and 90,000 for the second partner. Now we will calculate the closing balance here. So to balance closed down, this will be our balancing figure. So 5,30,000, 38,000, 98,000. 5,98,000. And 3,18,000, 27,000 and plus 90,000 means 4 lakh something, 4,17,000. And for the last partner is 4 lakh. Now we will see the balance sheet of the new firm. Now let us see the balance sheet. First capital of Madhu is 5,98,000, and then Vidhi 4,17,000, and then Gayatri it is 4 lakh. So grand total we will get 14,15,000. Then there is bills payable of rupees 1,50,000 and workman compensation claim. Workman compensation claim of 6,000. And towards the asset side we have land and building it has increased by rupees 26,000, so it will become 3,26,000. And machinery is 2,80,000. Stock is also the same, rupees 80,000. And debtors are for rupees 3 lakh minus provision 15,000, so it will be 2,85,000. Then comes bank. In bank we are having 50,000 plus new partner has brought goodwill rupees 1,50,000 plus 4 lakh as capital, so 2 lakh plus 4 lakh, it is 6 lakh. Now grand total 15,71,000 on both the sides. That's the solution. So let us see the next question. Shyam and Sanjay were in partnership business, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3. Balance sheet on 31st March 2020 is given. Sundry creditors and capital, cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, stock, furniture, building is given. Then on 1st April, they admitted Shankar into partnership for 1/3 share in future profits on the following terms. Shankar is to bring rupees 30,000 as his capital and 20,000 as goodwill, which is to remain in the business. Now, even if it is not said which is to remain in the business, then also it is assumed that it is remaining in the business, unless otherwise stated that the brought goodwill is withdrawn by the sacrificing partners. Then stock and furniture are to be reduced by 10%. Building is to be appreciated by 15,000. A provision of 5% is to be made on debtors for doubtful debts. Unaccounted accrued commission of rupees 2,400 to be provided for. And a debtor whose dues of rupees 4,800 were written off as bad paid 50% in settlement. Outstanding rent was rupees 4,800. Show profit and loss adjustment account. It is another name for revaluation account. Partners capital account and opening balance sheet of the new firm. Let us see the solution. So revaluation account for question number 63. Stock and furniture are to be reduced by 10%. So to stock. Decrease in asset and increase in liability will be shown on the debit side and vice versa. Increase in asset or decrease in liability will be shown on the credit side. So to stock is decreasing by 10%. So it is how much? 18,000. 10% is 1,800. Then furniture 4,400, so it is 440. Then building is appreciated, so by building it is appreciated by 15,000. Then there is a provision to be made, provision for doubtful debts. It is 5% on debtors. Debtors are 5,500 into 5% is 275. Then unaccounted accrued commission of rupees 2,400 to be provided for. So by accrued commission 2,400. Then a debtor whose dues of rupees 4,800 were written off as bad paid 50% in settlement. So by bank we are receiving from debtor, written off debtor, not debtor, bad debts written off we are receiving of 2,400, 50% of 4,800, 4,800 into 50%. Then there is an outstanding rent, so to outstanding rent 4800. And what else? That's it. Now we will get profit. So 2 profit on revaluation. So grand total is 19,800, 19,800, and we will get profit on revaluation 12,485. So it will be paid to both the partners, Shyam and Sanjay. In their old ratio, that is 2:3. So if we break it, we will get 4,994 and 7,491. Put together, it is, we can write it here, 12,485. So that is revaluation account. Now we will prepare partners capital account. So first we will write buy balance brought down 34,050 for first 2 partners. Now buy revaluation account 4,994 and 7,491 dash. Buy cash or bank, the new partner is bringing 30,000 as his capital, and buy premium for goodwill. In sacrificing ratio, which is old ratio itself. Now if you calculate, then also you will get the old ratio as sacrificing ratio. So it is 20,000. So when 20,000 is broken in this ratio, then it will be 8,000 for the first partner and 12,000 for the second partner. Then what else? There is no reserve, nothing. So we will do balance close down for all the 3 partners. We will get 47,044. And for Sanjay, it is 53,541. And for Shankar, it is 30,000. Now we will prepare the balance sheet of the new firm. So first we will write capital. Shyam, Sanjay, and new partner Shankar. $47,044, 53,541 and 30,000. Grand total of which is 1,30,585. Then sundry creditors. In sundry creditors, there isn't any adjustment, so we will write as it is 12,435. Then we are having outstanding rent given in adjustment. Outstanding rent of rupees 4,800. And to the asset side, cash in hand. So cash is rupees 710 plus new partner has brought rupees 30,000 as capital plus rupees 20,000 as goodwill. So it will be 50,710 because we have opened cash account, so we are adding it to cash. Then bank is 11,925. Sundry debtors are for rupees 5,500 minus provision for doubtful debts is 275. So 5,225. Then after stock is decreasing by 1800, so 18,000 minus 1800 will give us 16,200. Then furniture is also decreasing by 440, so 4400 minus 440 will give us 3960. And after furniture, building is there. Building is increasing by 15,000, so it will be 55,000. And one more thing is there, bad debts written off is recovered now, so from we can write here cash or bank recovered 2400. Now we will grand total it. But one more thing is there, accrued commission is of rupees 2400. So if we grand total here, we will get 1,47,820. That is it. I hope you are doing the lessons well, you are understanding the lessons well. If you are having any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. Please like, subscribe and share my video. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart that you have subscribed my channel and help it grow. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.